We are working so much with empathy on not like, hey, I know exactly what it's like to be in that scenario and I would feel the same way and I would react the same way, but instead shifting that to, oh, I know what it's like to feel that feeling. And I can connect with that feeling. So I share a story in the book of magnetile tower being built and it crashes, and this kid's obviously feeling disappointed or frustrated, and had this flash to me having folded a bunch of laundry piles, and Sage, my little guy, came in and just like destroyed my laundry. And in that moment, if you'd come in and been like, don't worry, Alyssa, you can fold it again. Like, nope.
No,
No.
I'm done now. I'm done. I've done it. I'm done. I'm moving on.
Correct. And like, I know that's my end result, right? Like, I know that that's what I have to do. I'm not there yet. Right now, I'm feeling frustrated and disappointed. What I want is for you to be like, man, that sucks. Like, having a 2-year-old's hard, right? And so when we look at the magnetile tower, it's not that I think like, oh, if I was building magnetiles and it crashed, I would also feel that level of disappointed or frustrated. It's, oh, that's what she's feeling right now, is disappointed or frustrated. I know that feeling. And I can connect over that feeling, not why they're feeling it. We connect over what they're feeling.